Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we review kitchen gadgets and appliances. Today, we're comparing two popular air fryer ovens from Instant Vortex. Let's see how they stack up against each other. Both of these air fryer ovens are quite affordable, but product A does cost a little more at $169 compared to product B at $159. Both air fryers have 6-in-1 functionality with air frying, roasting, broiling, baking, reheating, and dehydration options. However, product A has the added bonus of an odor erase technology and top-down even crisp technology for that perfect golden finish every time. Both air fryers have a clear cook window and internal light, so you can easily monitor the cooking progress without opening the basket. However, product B has a progress bar to know where you are in the cooking process and when to add or turn food. Both air fryers have easy-to-use one-touch smart programs for wings, veggies, potatoes, and more. They both have fast preheating and easy-to-clean non-stick dishwasher-safe air fry baskets and trays. They're both great additions to any kitchen, but product A does have a temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Both air fryers have built-in safety features like overheat protection, auto-off, and more. You can feel safe and confident when using either product in your kitchen. And that's the end of our comparison. Which air fryer oven do you think is the winner? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more kitchen appliance reviews.